Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to sync Facebook contact on Triller. So let's start. First open the Triller app. When the app is open you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on bottom right corner. Then on your profile tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Here you will see the option Contact Syncing. Tap on that. Then tap on Facebook. And your Facebook account will automatically be connected with your Triller account. And here you can see that no results is showing up. It is because I don't have any Facebook friend on Triller. And if you have your Facebook friends on Triller, you will be able to see their profile here. And from here you can also follow them on Triller. And that's how you can sync Facebook contact on Triller. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.